This is Caravan Salon 2020. Knaus has got this big haul here, and which I might show you if I'm feeling in a good mood and once I finish this van. And this is the Knaus Boxstar Family Fiat Ducato 6-metre camper van. It's Fiat Ducato, done nothing with it as we'd expect from a camper van from the outside. 205 outside, 258 height, and it comes with a mosquito net. That's something everybody gives you. It also comes with a dinette. Oh, that's original, isn't it? And it also comes with, you can actually turn the thing on using a piezo electric. There it is. That's original, isn't it? Well, at least it will be until it breaks, like mine's broken. And also it comes with a sink with a drain hole in it, and guess what? Water goes down there. I wonder why I didn't have a sign saying that. At the back, it looks pretty dark. I think it's just the way the mattresses are. These mattresses apparently got two lots of foam to keep the heat in, and got two down there spaces, and I think it's meant to be two up here as well, although this top bed, as you can see, is actually not as wide as the bottom one. I suppose you could get two in there, or that, let's say one for one person bed. I suppose it's better though, actually, in the case of bunks, to have this sort of gap here, so the top one is actually shorter. And you've got kids in there, I suppose it doesn't make much difference. Fridge is a 90-litre compressor, so that means it's two-way. And oh, right, here we have the shower, which I must admit, other than I prefer to have domestic drain holes, but on the other hand, the rest of it's pretty nice for a van of this size, and that's quite nice as well. So that's okay. Now I didn't give you the price, which off the top of my head I think it's 54,008. Oh, look at that! How was about that from memory? There you go. Boxstar 600 Family. You know, all these camper vans are actually more or less the same. It's rare that you see ones a bit different. I mean, you might have something like this, like longer drawers or something, or the fridge in a different position. But they are largely the same. If you want to see something a bit different, have a look at something like Ventura, where they put a bit of thought into changing it a little bit. And the van itself looks a bit different. There you are. Transport, more space. I suppose that means. Obviously, this will all come up, lift up, and that'll lift up, as you can see. There you want to show it. There you go, lifts up. And right, let's have a look at some more. I'll show you down here. Cassette toilet. Exhaust for the heating, or the boiler. Okay, oh, this one's a bit more exciting because it's got a goes up a lot. So I'd rather have something like this myself. Bit of storage there. I'll give you the price and the details. That might be a better idea. This thing here, it costs 60,074. But what is interesting is its height, 308 centimeters, and it's got a bed up the top there, and the bed comes down. So that's a pretty good idea. I like these high roof camper things, but what is not such a good idea is all this space wasted at the top up there. You see, admittedly, I know it's pretty high up and it's difficult for me to reach, but on the other hand, you can stand on the bed or the chairs and put stuff up there. Other brands, like even Purcell, actually has that going up to the top, so you can actually use the full height. Now, why is it that high? Quite simple. To get this bed here, the bed comes down, and I think that's a good idea. Oh, the seats are quite nice, though. Yeah, I quite like the seats, so maybe this is probably an option. Oh, got the golden prize in Reisemobile Auto Build 2020. Right. Yeah, I like this one better. Yeah, I want toilet. Right, well, look in here. You see, even here, I mean, they could have taken it up a bit further, couldn't they? I mean, you probably think, oh, it's high enough up as it is. Well, I suppose it is pretty high. I mean, I'd certainly get one of these rather than one of the others, one of them. And as you saw, the price difference isn't that great. I mean, you can put it on credit. I mean, you've got 68,074. Sorry, I mean, you've got the difference in your pocket. That's a lot of cash, but I mean, on credit, it's 5 years to pay. It's not that much difference. Anyway, right. So this one here is the Boxstar 540 MQ. So this is a 541 centimeters. It's the shortest Fiat Ducato van, and yeah, it's got this sky view thing at the top. This is all the same. Widthwise bed. Also, the other one was a lengthwise bed. I didn't mention that. A bit of space down there, and what's happened here? Has somebody broken something? No, or was it meant to be? All right. Don't know why this has got something around it, but there could be a reason for that. Don't know. That's got something around. Ah, maybe that's like that to protect the toilet. Who knows what's there? Anyway, that doesn't belong in this van. It's in the van. Somebody's put it in here. But it's nice having a view like that, and you can make it dark at night, or if it's too hot outside. Right, here's another van, which is a more or less standard looking thing. This thing is 6 meters long, and it's more or less the same as the first one. BS Freeway, Boxstar BS means. And hang on, before I do anything else, as I've touched things, gotta come over here and put some of this stuff on. Oops, and it's right, and they're what, 65,216. Oh, it's longer. Fiat Ducato, did I say that one? 636 centimeters. There you go, 65,216. And instead of having one of these, you got one with the high roof. And there you go. You've got lengthwise beds, space under the beds. Obviously they're using the full height here, but this is not so tall, this one. And there's another one with this ropey thing around it. Well, I think that ropey thing must be there to keep it in shape. Right, okay, the rest of it's more or less the same. And there we have another high one, and the high one sort of appeals to me. As I've said, I'll get the price on this. Somebody's gone in it, so I can't go in it, but unless I'm living with this person, I better check if I'm living with them or not. 65,673. No, I'm not actually living with that gentleman, so I'll continue. 6 meter van, but it's got a very high roof. And we'll have a look at it from the back. Looks the same as the other one. Right. BS Lifetime. Now here's one which is a bit more interesting. Everybody in the dogs are doing this these days, but this one here, you can actually create more room in the back by pushing this thing here up. And now it's currently closed here, so I'll oh no, I won't insult the little girl there. But anyway, you can push this up. It'll give you more room in the back, and I'm afraid you'll have to see that in a different video. I don't want to risk the thing going down with the girl there. So right, Boxstar 630 looks the same to me. Oh no, this one here has the effect of the last one as well, if I remember rightly. couldn't remember wrongly, but what you can do there once more, get that thing goes up and down. You can sort of put a bed in the back, or if you want to sort of carry a motorbike or a I don't know, baby giraffes and I don't know, something like that, then you can actually do that with this, and the bed will come up and down manually. Well, this one's got a nice colour to it. Seats, windows, well, a lot of people in here. Oh, and once more, it's got one of these beds that go up and down, but I think there may be a problem with that one, so I won't bother. I won't show you. It seems to be broken, which, given Knaus's reputation, doesn't surprise me. Right, there you go. There's a few camper vans from Knaus from Caravan Salon 2020 to the 2021 range, and got lots more, and camper vans. You might want to see that if you're thinking about buying one. Thanks for watching.